This is a video of Christina Renee Lee's photography exhibit at the iHouse in Davis, California. The title of her show is called Yoga in Nature, Balancing Mind, Body, and Soul. Christina has been passionate about yoga for the past 3 years when she first started, and she enjoys being in nature and has always enjoyed taking photographs. So this was her way of combining her 3 interests. This is a wonderful photograph. It has a Japanese feel. It's kind of like the Japanese brush painting or block painting. Tina usually puts a quote, oftentimes, with her work. She also tries to do poses that go along with the photo that she's trying to capture. Here she is, in one of the photos, she's doing a warrior pose. And here's another quote. Photographing these photos is very challenging. Nature is always changing. It differs during the year, depending on the season. It also is influenced day by day. Every day is different. One day it can be cloudy, another day it can be raining, one day it's sunny. So it's hard to capture exactly what you want. And anyone who has tried to photograph a sunset knows how quickly the sun sets. The subject in these photos is Tina herself, and she is also the photographer. So that adds to the challenge. Tina has become very adept at setting up her camera or iPhone and using a timer. But imagine she has to run to be in the photo, do the pose, have the setting just right, and look calm and serene. We are getting a shadow here from the windows. But you can get the essence of some of the photographs that she has taken. There's tremendous energy and spirit in her photos, and at the same time they are very calm and serene. Tina has a very good eye. She's able to capture what she wants. Over here, she is doing, these are water poses. She is doing poses that relate to the photos. Here's the photo of the Golden Gate Bridge, and she's doing the bridge pose. Here's another photo of a bridge, again the bridge pose. Here she is at Lake Merritt. In this pose, she's doing crow on a rock. Well, unfortunately, we have a lot of shadows coming in from the windows here, but at least you can see the essence of her work. Here she's in the trees and she's doing the tree pose. Moving on, I can get around here. Beautiful sunset. I find it remarkable that she can do these poses and also set up the photos and be in them. Sometimes she does have to ask someone to help her with the photo, but she's always the director and she's the subject of every photo here. This is Tina's first show, and it's been a learning experience, and she has learned a lot from it. She's very grateful for the opportunity. Her work is for sale if anyone is interested. And if you get a chance, don't miss the show. It's wonderful. Thank you for watching.